Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to subtract mixed numbers with a common denominator. Knowing that I have a common denominator makes our lives so much easier because we don't have to find the common denominator. The common denominator in this one is 7, and so I can just work on the subtraction. And since I see that there's a negative in front of the first fraction, I'm going to go ahead and change this to add the opposite. That helps me see that I'm adding two negatives together, and that makes it easier to work with. I'm going to go ahead and work on the whole numbers first. -2 plus -1 gives me -3, and that takes care of the whole numbers. Now I need to work with just the fractions. So I have 5/7 and 3/7. I'm going to go ahead and add those together below, and I'm not going to put on the negative yet, just because we know we're adding. 5/7 plus 3/7. When I add fractions, I keep the common denominator that I worked so hard to get. In this case, I didn't actually have to work for it, but we still get to keep it. Now I just need to add the numerators. 5 plus 3 is 8. And I can see that I have an improper fraction of 8/7, so I need to change that to a mixed number. Doing so, I put the numerator in the division sign for long division, and the 7 on the outside is the divisor. 7 goes into 8 one whole time. 1 times 7 is 7. Subtracting gives me a remainder of 1. So this can be rewritten as 1 and 1/7. Now I didn't put that negative sign down here to begin with, but that whole thing is still negative, as we can see up here. So we have this -3, and we're going to be combining it with the -1 and 1/7, which makes the whole answer -4 and 1/7. And this is our answer for when we subtracted these two mixed numbers.